They are provoking us. They are provoking us by insulting Aisha radiallahu anha. They know we cannot take it. They know. So that means they are cowards. They're not here for discussion. They're not here for education. Anyone who wants education will listen to each other respectfully. We want respectful discussion. We want, okay. So if they insult Aisha radiallahu anha, who is beloved to us, that means they do not want a discussion. That means they are cowards. And I hope they will not insult Aisha radiallahu anha for the sake of conversation.
He wants to run away. He's gonna
No, I'm not running away. I am not from Kufa. I am not from Kufa. I don't run away. I do not worship human beings. I worship Allah. I love Umar, Abu Bakr, and Talha and Zubair and Khalid bin Walid. I follow their sunnah. We defeated the Persians. We defeated the Romans. The Rafida didn't defeat a rat. They didn't even defeat a rat. Okay. So now, look. Are we gonna keep it respectful or? Okay. So we're gonna have some rules. I'm talking to a scholar here. Your scholar. Do you not trust him? Do you not trust him? Do you not trust him? Have no confidence. Can you see any Sunni speaking here? Can you see any Sunni speaking here? The rules are they do not insult the Sahaba. They do not insult the mother of the believers. Okay, I'm talking to him. You're not going to insult Aisha radiallahu anha.
I will speak now. Be quiet.
They are pigs. They are dogs and pigs. Dogs and pigs, Rafidi, dogs and pigs. I don't want to talk to them. Let's go. These are pigs and dogs. They just want to insult the Sahaba, people who are sacred to us, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. These are enemies of the Prophet. These are the enemies of Rasulullah. These are the enemies of his family. Their history is the killing of the children of Rasulullah. They killed them. And they are still alive. They're still propagating their false religion. And when we want to talk to them in a dialogue, in a discussion, what they want to do is they have this tactic. They know once they are losing the conversation, they will start insulting the mother of believers, Aisha radiallahu anha. Because they know the moment they do that, there will be no discussion. There will be violence. There will be a disruption of the conversation. And that's why we just wanted to prove that today, that these cowards, these man worshippers, these idol worshippers, these mushrikeen are cowards. They will never have an educational conversation. They don't want education. They want violence.